Okay, we've been working on surfaces, and you can see Prim in the corner right there, sitting on her wobble board. And I believe she has her tuggy there, and there's a couple of tunnels around. But you can see this is a rather tall slide. And my goal with this was to get Prim comfortable going up the back of the slide and sliding down the top. We're still working on that. I thought I'd show you where we were. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here, get this. Get your tuggy. Get your tuggy. Get your tuggy. Good girl. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. 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 What have we got? Right there. What have we got? Right there? Right there. Come on. Climb it up. Nope, nope, not tuggy. No tuggy. Right here. Okay, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you. Here you go. Prim. Right here. Okay. Climb it up. I got your back in. Climb it up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Yay! Slide down. Woo! There you go. Good job. Yeah. You do it again? You want to do it again? Okay, I got you. I got your back in so you won't fall. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Come on. Get it. Come on, Prim. Prim. Come here. No, that way's not going to work. You can try it. You want to try it? Come on. See, it's not going to work. Come on. Woo! There you go. Good job. All right. Okay. Go down. Yes. Good job. Prim. Prim. Come over here. Come over here. I know you don't like the steps, but we're going to work on the steps some more. Right there. Come on. Get it. Get it. There you go. Okay, see, I got your back in. You don't fall. Put your feet up there. And there you go. Good job. Good job. Want to do it again? Come on. I want you to use that back end crawling up those steps. I'm helping you though. I'm going to help you though. Okay? I'm helping you. I'm keeping you balanced. Here you go. Here it is. Right there. Right there. Get it. Want it? He's like, I'm not sure. There you go. Come on. Crawl up the steps. Sit up. There we go. There we go. Slide down. Woo! Good job. Okay. That's enough of that because I can see we're pushing the limit. Here. Let's do one of these. Let's do one of these. Let's do one of these. Yes. You got your tuggy. Get your tuggy. Tuggy, tuggy, tuggy. Woo! You get your tuggy, tuggy, tuggy. Come here. Balance. Come on. All 4 feet. Give me all 4 feet. Come on. There you go. There you go. Stand up. Good job. All right. All 4 feet. Yay! That was very good. Can you give me all 4 feet again? Can you give me all 4 feet again? Come on. There you go. Good girl. Stand up. Gotta stand up. Stand up. Yes. Yes. Good job. Good job. Yes. Very nice. Very good girl. Okay, get your tuggy. Get your tuggy. Okay, where'd that tunnel go? Where'd that tunnel go? Where'd that tunnel go? That's a lovely tunnel. Woo! Where'd that tunnel go? There you go. You ready? Here we go. We have the ball. See the ball? Ready? Okay. Get this tunnel over here. Oh, hold on. Get it. There you go. Come on. Woo! Yes, get a tuggy. Yeah. Get a tuggy. Get a tuggy. Okay. Let's do the tunnel over the wobble board. Let's see. see what happens. Let's see what happens. Just for fun. Just for fun. Where's the tunnel? Oops, it's going to roll off. I'm going to hold it though. You ready? Here we go. Yay! Yay! Yeah, you're so silly. Woo! There you go. Good job. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Good girl. Good girl. The playroom, the room built. Here, let's play with this because we like the texture of this. Get that. We like the texture of this. It's a different texture. And we want you to hold on to objects that are made like this too. So we want you to hold on to objects. Get it? That are hard too. Yes, we do. We're going to want you to hold on to objects that are hard. Get it? Get it? Yes! Give it. Yay! Good job. Good job. Don't have my clicker. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes! Good job. Here you go. Okay. Here we go. From adorable. Where is it? Woo. Ready? Go. Give it. Yes. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Good job. All right. Here we go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here we go. Here we go. We'll wait for it to stop moving. Are you ready? Ready? Go. Get it. Yay! Good job. It wasn't moving. Very nice. Very nice. It wasn't moving. Very good. Here we go. You ready? Ready? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Ready? Go. Bring it to me. Hand it to me. Hand it to me. Bring it. Bring it to me. There you go. That's it. Okay. Well, she dropped it, but that's okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Woo! Woo! There you go. Through your tunnel. Yes. Very normal. Kisses. Kisses. Where's your doggy? Here you go. That's your favorite toy right there. It's toe. Yay! Through the tunnel. Over the wobble. Yeah. Okay. Through the tunnel. Over the wobble. Yay! Get it. Okay. What you gonna do? Whoa. Get it. One. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Okay. Go through the tunnel. Go over the wobble. That's even better. Bring me the ball. Where is it? Where is it? Bring it. Oh, too many toys. Too many toys. Woo! Give it. Yes! Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. I need your paws up. I need your paws up. Get it. I need your paws up. Come on, paws up. Not that way. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Come on, paws up. Come on. Get it. Paws up. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Okay, get your tongue. Get your tongue. Get your tongue. Get it. Yes. Bring it. You put it down. You put it down and you need to bring it to me. It doesn't count. Okay, get it. Oh, don't choke on it. Okay, bring me. Yay! Good job. You didn't drop it. You didn't drop it. You didn't have to jump up there. Okay, get it. Get it. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Silly dog. Tricks are for kids. Not puppies. Not puppies. No, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. brave girl, though. She was such a brave girl. She got up and she did it. She got up and she did it. Yay! Good job. Okay, give it. Give it. Good girl. All right. Good job. Okay, that's enough play. That's enough play.